Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a few new things. I'm going to show you what I did off camera. I have added this little thing right here. You can see it. Apparently it's needed. It's part of the warthog. I don't know why. It's kind of useless if you ask me. But I did cut out a glass. Now you want this specific shape. This diamond shape. That's what you want. Also, I glued in the headlights, so I'm gonna be soldering those together today. And also, if you see in here, I made a battery pack. Apparently, you need two 9-volt batteries to run 4 LED lights. But I have not yet glued in the back ones, but I've been working on them. Also, another thing in the center here, I have cut out the center, as you can see. That's where the center bar thing that's always in cars, where all the things go, like the gear shift and stuff. Oh, that needs more glue. I've also added seats. Which I will show you after one of them was falling off, so I put some more glue on. So I made some seats, as you can see. That's not the thing I've done. You know how I was planning on putting this switch in the back of the RC car, right here? That's not going to work. The back of the RC car is too low, it wouldn't work. So I had the other idea. This is the exact width needed for the center console of the Warthog. So I've been attaching some styrofoam to both sides. I bent this area a bit, just to make it fit better. And you also need this little dash here. This is where a keypad goes, a 9-digit keypad. Why it has a 9-digit keypad, I do not know, but I'm just going to put it right here like this. I think it's going to fit perfectly on there, but that's not what we're doing today. Not the main thing. Now we got a soldering iron here. One thing you need when you're soldering, some damp paper towel. And obviously, solder. Now solder is just this thin metal wire that easily comes off when it burns. I'll show you later. That's not what we're going to be doing first. Now, where did I put it? So we're going to be putting some folds in here by using heat. Heat is how we're putting the folds in here. I'm going to set it on the ground, and I'm just going to apply some heat. Just going to apply a strand of heat here. Ever so gently. This is going to take a minute, so I'm just going to cut ahead in the video once this is all done. You just want to apply heat here so that it bends smoothly. Look how smooth that bend is going. It's because I'm applying heat. Just saw see the plastic melt because I'm applying it so directly. Perfect. You want something like that. That is the kind of bend you want in it. Now I just gotta do the other side, and then we're gonna be working on doing some of the electrical work. There we go. There we go. Ooh, don't do it too much. Don't do it too much, otherwise you might melt off the plastic. And you need this for a mirror, for window glass. This is your front window. Now, because this is a warthog, you won't actually be needing any other windows besides the front one, which goes like right here. I'll show you on the warthog. Oh, I did the bend too much. Or did I? Now that it has a bend in it, I can just use my hands and just bend it out. It goes on like that. I'm going to need to cut out a little rectangle right here, just so it can fit the triangle, but besides that, that's pretty much done. Now we're going to be doing some electrical work. Use my second 9-volt connector. I'm going to be taking my knife. Oh, this is my first one. My second one. I'm just going to be shaving off the plastic coating. And there we go. You just want some exposed wire in. There's nice exposed wires like that, so that you can attach it better. Alright, so connector A goes on that like so, and connector B goes on there like so. I don't actually need this part for this part of the thing. But I gotta make sure everything's set up. So where's my back? My back is right here. Now I have the two that connected together because I've been doing a little bit of electrical work. Just figuring some stuff out. Off camera. Now you want to take your roll of solder here. And you're gonna take your soldering iron. You're going to press both on the wires that you want to solder. Now I'm going to be doing it on the table, so I will just lower, so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to get some solder here. Oh, there we go. It wasn't soldering for a minute. There we go. Apply a little bit more solder. But there we go. And the reason you want the damn paper towel is to clean your soldering iron. Do this after each time you use it. Now I will show you more clearly what I did. It's just that little connection there. See that solder on it? Solder's the gray stuff, and the copper wire's the copper stuff. I'm also going to cover some electrical tape because none of my wire nuts will fit around it. See how small the wiring is. So that's what you want to do, is wrap it with some, you put a wire nut or some electrical tape around, like so, and that is the first part of this. And as the first part of that, oh, that was all I had planned for this video. It's only on for 10 minutes. Turn off my soldering iron. And I'll set it over here. Iron comes with a little metal stand. Just forgot to clean it off. Clean it off once more. So, stand on top of this. There we go. I did unplug it, so it should be cooling down slowly. But that was all I had planned for this video. Oh, I want to show you this. It's a Nerf sword I made. Look at that fine craftsmanship. The sword. That's pretty good for cardboard. I made it down here because I was bored one day. I also made this knife. It's a cardboard knife for Nerf. Got a spear somewhere over there. That's all I really made. Got an axe and hammer upstairs. I'm gonna make my Nerf Battle Royale video. That's coming up soon. Hopefully it's gonna come up soon. As you all know, Battle Royale rules. You start with a melee weapon. You try to get more weapons. You defeat your opponents. Be the last one standing. So, like always, remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And also leave a comment down below of what else you'd like to see on my channel. I play Steam games, Xbox games, Xbox One and 360 games, along with Nintendo 64 games. That's actually one of the more popular series, is when I played the game Monopoly and Nintendo 64. Probably because there's not many Nintendo 64 videos out there, but I'm really into Fortnite lately, so just leave a comment on what you would like to see on my channel and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.